video, we'll be sharing a delicious recipe with you.
We'll be making squash chicken curry.
Hello and assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
Do you want to learn how to grow your own vegetables? Do you enjoy making delicious recipes? Do you enjoy traveling? If you do, you should consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and share our videos. Without further ado, Dad, let's start cooking.
Let's start cooking.
This is how you should prepare a squash or a pumpkin for a curry. Cut the squash in half. Be very careful when doing this. The skin is very hard and thick. You don't want the knife to slip and cut your fingers. It's going to be very painful.
Now, once you cut the pumpkin into halves, remove all the seeds, dry them and store them for next year. And then cut into smaller sizes so it's easier to remove the skin. Again, take care when you're removing the skin.
Cut them into sizes that you prefer. We prefer our squash pieces to be thick and chunky, just like this.
Just like this. We like nice and chunky.
Chunky, yeah. Okay.
For this recipe, we're going to be using squash, chicken, onions, ginger, garlic, a mixture of spices, chili powder, coriander, turmeric, vegetable oil. When the oil heats up, add some ginger and garlic. Once your garlic and ginger turn slightly brown, add your onions. Now we are using about 3 medium-sized English onions. Add some salt and add some bay leaf, cardamom and cinnamon stick. Now leave it to cook until the onion softens, about 10 minutes in medium to high heat.
Dad, the onions have now softened. It's time to add the chicken. Leave it to smear on medium heat for about 20 minutes.
Now the chicken we're using is soft boiler, it's not roasted chicken. It's going to take a little longer to cook. So we're going to
Dad, you can smell the ginger, garlic and onion. It smells delicious.
Now check to see if the onion has softened and melted into paste.
Yes, it has, Dad.
Yes,
it has
so
melted.
It's time. So once your onion has softened, melted into paste, it's time to add your chili powder, coriander, cumin powder and your turmeric powder. That looks nice and colourful, doesn't it?
Yes, it does, Dad. Colour straight away. Wow, that looks mouth-watering.
It does. Smells delicious. I think, Aki, it's time for us to add the squash, the pumpkins. Careful how you add them.
Yep.
Wow. That looks nice and colourful. While the curry is being cooked, I'm going to be harvesting a few green chilies to add to the curry. We like our curry to be nice and hot, spicy. Now these extra hot green chilies will give an extra kick to the curry. After about 10 minutes, check on the curry. If needing, add a little hot water to it. Add about a cup of hot water to the curry. And let it cook for another 10 or 15 minutes.
Wow, I am amazed. It looks absolutely stunning. Doesn't it, Dad?
It looks beautiful. Smells delicious.
It's going to taste delicious.
It tastes delicious. Let's get that on a dish and let's
try it
out.
Yep.
I'm really looking forward to this. That'll give a nice colour to it.
Wow, I'm amazed right now. That looks beautiful.
That looks delicious. All ready to go.
Wow.
That looks delicious, doesn't it?
It's going to taste delicious. Let me get some shira.
That looks amazingly beautiful.
Doesn't it? It's so colourful. And it smells delicious. That is so incredible.
Mouth-watering, yes?
Yes, it is, Dad.
You're making my mouth water. I need to try some.
Dad, you need to try this. Guys, I wish you could have some of this. It's absolutely incredible. It tastes delicious.
Now let's try this out. A little bit of rice. It's amazingly beautiful. It's delicious. Let me try a little bit of chicken.
How was it, Dad?
It's nice. I really like it. Squash chicken curry is beautiful. You should try this recipe out. It's nice.
Dad, this is delicious. I really like this dish.
It's nice. Try this recipe out. It's beautiful. Simple but delicious. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share our videos.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy cooking. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. खूप मजा येईल ना नी?
Jiroize mozoise.
I really like it.
When everybody comes, they can try this.
Yes.
It tastes so delicious,
It
Dad.
does, it does.
I really like the chicken.